Petunia, guys. I don't know how many stories high she is. That's a giant tree, guys. She's up there. Surveilling the street, surveilling everyone. She's seeing who's home, who's not. Daisy Hillians stand no chance. There she comes, there she comes. There they come, there they come. Woo-hoo. Well, Lily's here. Lily the mobster. She's part of Petunia's vlog, guys. So they've all been up there surveilling, and like I told you, they play a game where they jump from treetop to treetop, and that's what they're doing now, guys. They're jumping from treetop to treetop, and that's Petunia. You can hear her.